Hey guys, what's up? It's Steve. Welcome to Craft Beer Friday. I've got a crazy one tonight. My internet has been dipping in and out, so this is going to be a quick one. It is a beer cocktail. As a bonus for tonight, you can follow along as well and create this beer cocktail. You need 4 ingredients. I will give you the beer facts as well for the beer I chose. You can use whatever you like, but I think you're going to want to use probably the same one or the same flavor profile because this is going to be weird. Also, too, I have never tasted this. This is going to be the first time I've done this. So this reaction will be my actual reaction. I'm not acting. I haven't tasted this before or tried it out. This will be live. All right. Our 4 ingredients are our beer. This is a strawberry lager that we picked out. It was 99 cents at the store, so we're definitely doing it. This is the big one. Peanut butter whiskey. This is going to be a peanut butter bomb. It's going to be a shot of peanut butter whiskey dropped in a strawberry lager, and you chug it. First, since this is a beer show, here are the beer facts on this strawberry lager. This is from Abita Brewing. Louisiana strawberries harvested peak of the season to give this crisp lager its strawberry flavor and aroma. Traditional hops. This is from Louisiana, and it's got a golden lager with a subtle haze to it. I just took a smell of it. Definitely like Bud Light-y smell. So it's not a quality beer. I only paid 99 cents for it. So what can you expect? Strawberry taste is not as strong as I would like. I probably should have gone with like a lambic, so it was a little bit more fruit heavy. The real inspiration for this, I was talking to somebody on Instagram, my friend Lisa, who watches the show. It was going to be a soft parade, which was going to be that would really fuck me up. So I didn't do that one. I thought this was a little bit better, a little bit cleaner probably. But I'm probably I should have done that beer. The other 2 ingredients that I forgot to mention, pint glass for your beer, shot glass for your shot of peanut butter whiskey. Pour, drop, chug. This stuff, Skrewball Peanut Butter Whiskey. This is brand new. I'm surprised that this shit isn't in a country song yet, because Fireball Whiskey only got popular by Florida Georgia Line. This stuff is going to be the new hotness eventually. It smells like peanut butter. It smells so good. And I've seen a lot of cocktails made with it, and they're more like cream heavy focused. So like Bailey's in this and other stuff. So it's like more like a milkshakey drink. We're being hood rat college kids with this drink. So I've already poured my beer. I'm going to pour my shot, and I'm going to chug this thing and let you know how it is. I'm probably not going to be able to finish it because I'm a grown ass man and I don't do shots and chug beers anymore, so we'll see how it goes. That's a pretty good shot there. Oh god, it's gonna be bad. Cheers to these beers. Here we go. I'm an adult. You know what? Sorry. It's not that bad. It really isn't that bad. The peanut butter taste is really good. It's I would describe it more as like peanut butter chocolate. It kind of has that Reese's peanut butter taste to it. It's richer. It has more, definitely like an oily taste on my mouth now. I really can't believe I did that whole thing. Sorry. Oh man. But I think with a better beer, that actually is a doable drink in a bar. I don't know if I just created a bad thing or a good thing. Thank you for watching. I think I'm tentatively going to call this the peanut butter bomb because it is a shot of whiskey and kind of a peanut butter sandwich-esque drink. So, cheers to these beers. I'm gonna go lay down because that was pretty rough. But if you try it, let me know what beer you drink, and we will see you next week. Next week, I am so proud already of what I'm going to give you guys. It is probably the best video that I've done, and I may actually have to put it all on Instagram TV because the quality and the way I want to shoot it, I can't really do it in a story because it can't be individual clips. It has to be one flowing thing. So I will keep you updated through the week and let you know what's going on, but look for that next week on Friday. I am really, really excited. I finished the first part of it tonight, and I may have to stop after that because I don't think I can get any better. So I will see you guys next week. I am really excited. Have a great weekend. Cheers, and thanks for watching.